my channel. It's your girl Magsmilano and I'm back with a new video. So today's video is a 2-year review on the Vuitton Toiletry pouch in the size 26. So here she is. Here she is. So I got this 2 years ago. I got this in February 2018. So yeah, it's been literally over 2 years actually. So I've just got the receipts here. I'm just going to quickly check how much it was when I paid for it. And I paid £260 for it in 2018, like I said, and it's currently retailing for £360, meaning that it's appreciated by £100 in 2 years, which is amazing because that's what we want. We want our bags to be going up, not down. Yeah, so this is a toiletry pouch. That's what Louis Vuitton describe it as. They describe it as a toiletry pouch, so I'm guessing obviously for your toiletry, maybe makeup products to put in here, but I actually don't wear it like that. I wear it as a clutch, as many of us do. A lot of us wear the toiletry pouch as a clutch, but I mean, why not? It's literally the perfect size for a clutch. It fits so much in here, guys. Like, loads can fit in here. I could do a what fits inside, but I feel like I'll be just filling it up for days because literally so much can fit in this bag. So this bag's material is in coated canvas and it's in the monogram print, which is literally my favorite print in the Louis Vuitton collection. It also has a really nice zipper that opens really nicely, really smoothly. And then once you go inside, it also has the same kind of canvas material. I've just got the dust bag in here, but it's in the same canvas material. And this is a really nice material for it because obviously they made it for it to be a toiletry bag. So if anything was to spill in here, you would literally have no problems because it wouldn't ruin the bag. This part is the only part that is actually leather on this bag. So yeah, as you can see, and this is in vachetta leather, meaning that it will patina over time. So as you can see, mine's starting to turn like a nice honey color, but when I got it, it was like pale white, as you've seen on many of the other ones. And this toiletry is actually made in Spain, as you can see right there. So it's made in Spain, and I know a lot of us love our bags made in Paris, but this bag is super hard to get, so I was not about to leave it just because it's made in Spain. So like I said, this bag is currently retailing for £360, which I think is quite a decent price for obviously designer goods. This would be a really good piece for someone that's starting their collection. If you just want an entry piece to kind of get your collection going, this will be a great piece for you. Like I said, it's a toiletry bag, which you can definitely use it as. You can definitely, if you're traveling, put your makeup or your toiletry goods in here, but you can also use it as a clutch, like how I and many other people use it. I'll try to insert some pictures of me wearing it and maybe some other people wearing it so you'll see what I mean. This is such a great piece. It's so versatile. It literally goes with anything. You can wear it really casually with like jeans and a nice t-shirt and just pair this with it, or you can wear it dressed up with like a dress and heels. So yeah, it's really versatile and I would definitely recommend this bag. This is also a really good SLG to give someone as a present because like I said, it's £360, which is pretty decent for the luxury world. And yeah, I'd be super happy if I got this as a present because, like, I mean, you know. Like I said, this part of the leather is actually vachetta leather, so it will patina over time. But I've got a spray for you guys that helps with the patinaing. I'm going to link one of my other videos in the cards, which explains a bit more about that spray. So if you want to know a bit more about that spray, I've linked it in the cards and in the description box below. So go give that video a check after you finish watching this one. So at this point in the video, I'd usually tell you about the cons of the bag, but to be totally honest, guys, I haven't really got any cons for this bag. Like, I really don't. The only con that I could probably find is that it hasn't got a top handle, so you always have to just hold it like this and maybe like that. But like I said to you, I mainly use it as a clutch, and it was made to be used as a toiletry bag, so obviously it's not going to have a top handle. But apart from that, I literally have no cons to say about this bag. It's honestly a really good investment piece because I feel like it never really goes out of fashion. It's just like a classic in the LV world. And yeah, guys, I would really recommend this bag. I've had it for 2 years, like I said, and I've got literally like no wear and tear on this bag. I'll show you now. So the leather is okay. You can see the size of the bag is okay as well. The front. And the bottom part of the bag. So yeah, this is in really good condition. This is in honestly nearly perfect condition. And I say nearly perfect only because like the leather has patinaed, but I honestly don't mind that because obviously if you're getting a monogram piece, you do know that the leather is going to patina. The inside of the bag also has no wear and tear on it. The inside of the bag also has no wear and tear either. If you see some like brown marks, I just took out my beauty blender out of here, so that's probably why. But there's literally zero problems with this bag, and I've used it quite a lot of times. In over 2 years, guys, there's no wear and tear, so I think that is bloody amazing. So if you're thinking about getting this bag and you wasn't too sure, or you're having some doubts, or you just needed the extra push, I'm here to give it to you. I'm pushing you to go get the bag, guys. Honestly, this is a really good bag to get. I would definitely recommend it. I have zero cons to say about this bag. I've had zero problems with this bag, and I would honestly recommend it to everyone. For someone that's trying to start their collection, trying to build their collection, and if you're just a luxury lover, even if you're not a luxury lover, I think this is such a cute piece to have because, like I said, it's so versatile, and you've got yourself a little clutch for the price of a toiletry. Like, you can't complain about that, guys. So that's all I've got to say for this bag. I know it's been quite a short video, but honestly, I literally have no problems with this bag. I can't make it up for you guys. It was a really good piece, and I'm super happy that I got it. I know this piece is super hard to get usually, but I've just checked the Louis Vuitton website as I'm filming this video, and it's actually in stock. It's in stock right now, guys. So if I was you, if you're on the hunt for it, I would literally run to the website right now and hopefully, fingers crossed, they still have it in stock. If not, I've got a video explaining how to secure yourself hard to find pieces from LV, which again I will link in the cards, and I'll also link in the description box below, so please give that video a check. And yeah, guys, that is it for me today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below if you have any more suggestions on what you want me to film for you guys, or if you want to see anything else from me, please do let me know. If you did enjoy this video, please give this video a big thumbs up for me. That really does mean a lot for me, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.